Okay, money close. Kindly help me to know what liquidity is in forex trading. How can I find the liquidity? How can I know the market is in high liquidity or in low liquidity? And so those are kind of questions I receive from my people who watch my video. Liquidity is actually categorized in smart money concept because people say that when there is not enough liquidity, I cannot take trades, and people say when there is low liquidity, that's when I take trades. So it's create confusion for all of us, like when should we take trades, when should we not take trades. But what you probably have to know in forex trading is knowing what liquidity is and knowing the importance of liquidity, and this will help you understand the market in a different way. But we have problem in identifying liquidity. This happens to all of us, what you're taught and what you see on charts tends to be actually different. But I am here to show you an indicator that shows you liquidity. It shows you the high liquidity in the market, and so you'll be able to execute your orders perfectly. So guys, what I'll probably do in this video, I will tell you what liquidity is. At the same time, I will show you the importance of liquidity, and then I'm going to show you this indicator that shows you liquidity in forex trading. It's actually very easy. The only thing you need to do is sticking here till the end so that you can understand how this indicator works, how you can use it to execute trades. You'll be able to spot liquidity so easy. I will urge you to stick here and learn more about this. So guys, for my channel for the very first time, maybe it's your first time hearing my voice, I welcome you. Kindly join us by subscribing this channel. Just clicking on that red button written subscribe, and definitely you'll be part of this amazing family, because I believe and I know this is where you belong. If you're already part of this family, I salute you. Okay, and guys, don't forget to like this video as well, and if you do that, just know I am thankful. So guys, I will first of all start by defining what liquidity is before we get into the indicator, because honestly we have to know what we are talking about. And so when it comes to our indicator, you definitely know what liquidity is. So guys, I will start by defining what liquidity is, then I will tell you the importance of liquidity, then after that we're going to our indicator right away. So what is liquidity in forex trading? Liquidity, you can define it as the ability of a currency pair to be traded, bought or sold on demand. And as well, liquidity describes the extent to which an asset can be bought and sold quickly at stable prices and converted to cash. Liquidity also refers to how quickly and at what cost one can sell an asset, whether that is a financial asset such as stock or real asset such as a commercial building. If one has an asset, like for instance a true value of $50, and one can instantly convert that asset into $50 of cash, or rather cash equivalent, then we think of the market for that asset as perfectly liquid. So in a perfect liquid market, someone who is looking to buy an asset whose value is $100 will be able to purchase that asset instantly for exactly $100 and receive it instantly. Usually, liquidity is calculated by taking the volume of trades or the volume of pending trades currently on the market. If there are only a few participants trading infrequently, then liquidity is considered to be low. This is known as illiquid market. So I will tell you the importance of liquidity. So why is liquidity important in forex trading? So market liquidity is important for a number of reasons, but primarily because it impacts how quickly you can open and close position. A liquid market is generally associated with less risk, as there is usually always someone willing to take the other side of a given position. This can attract more traders to market, which adds to the favorable market conditions. In a liquid market, a seller will quickly find a buyer without having to reduce the price of the asset to make it more attractive. On the flip side, a buyer won't have to raise the price to get the asset. When, in other words, if a market is liquid, the bid offer spread will tighten. If a market is illiquid, or rather in low liquidity, the bid offer spread will widen. I hope you have understood the importance of liquidity. So guys, I hope you have known the liquidity at the same time importance of liquidity, and now I'm going to show you how to find liquidity. And you're very lucky because you're going to use one amazing indicator found on tradingview.com. The only thing you need is a TradingView account, simply because I know now you have an idea what liquidity is. Okay, so you're going to click on indicators tab right here. Once you click on indicators tab, we're going to type liquidity Hinmark by nephew or some. So just going to click on it. Once you click on it, this is how it appears right on your chart. So guys, what this indicator does, just as you can see, we have the highlights in green color, and up here we have the highlights in red color. I hope it is visible. And so this shows you that there is high liquidity right here. You don't have to really know what is happening or anything. This indicator does this for you. So what you probably have to know is, like, when the indicator has already highlighted this in red color, you should know that sell orders are laid right here, and so you should be looking for a selling opportunity. When you see the green highlightation over here, it shows you the buyers are really at this zone causing the liquidity, and so you should be looking for a buying opportunity. The same applies right here. So this indicator shows you the liquidity. You can use this in any time frame, and this makes you watch out about the zone. So for instance, this is 1 hour time frame. You can see it showing you liquidity highlighted in red, liquidity in green, liquidity, liquidity, liquidity. Okay, so for instance, let's say the market is trending just like this. What you probably do, as you all know, the lows over here are always respected and the highs tends to be broken above. So you'll be waiting to see the liquidity zone, and if it's highlighted in green color, you should look for buying opportunity. If it's highlighted in green color, you should look for buying opportunity. Remember, the market is really pushing to the upside, okay? But when the market is rising to the upside, okay, and you see the indicator has shown you liquidity highlighted in red color, you should know that this can be a pullback, okay? So you cannot generally trade against the trend. So this shows you that this pair is actually traded in very high demand, and so you should execute your orders. And it's highlighted in red, you can look for selling opportunity. Highlighted in green, you can look for buying opportunity. Highlighted in green, you can look for buying opportunity. Highlighted in red, you can look for a selling opportunity. This is actually easy to really know liquidity in Forex, because we all have problems knowing, or rather being able to know liquidity in Forex market. So guys, you better know this. It's very, very easy. The indicator is free. The only thing you need is installing it on your computer and be able to identify this zone. And definitely guys, this works well. So for instance, even if you backtest this one over here, you definitely see when it shows you a green highlightation of liquidity in green, you can see the market is really pushing to the upside. The market is really pushing to the upside. Even where you can see red, you basically see there is a slight movement to the downside, a slight movement to the downside. So if you combine the breakout structure plus the liquidity, you'll be able to get better trades and accurate trades. Okay, so guys, you can check this from higher time frames to lower time frames, but pay attention on higher time frames like the 1 hour. So guys, I hope I have talked to someone, and I hope I have helped someone to really identify liquidity in Forex trading. This is so easy. The only thing you need is backtesting and seeing how it works for you. Okay, so guys, I wish you nothing but the best. Continue working hard, because I really know one day your hard work will pay you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like this video. What do I say, guys? Bye. See you in my next video.